It's a very proud moment for Kalangu, and it is because it is International Women's Day, and all the women have gathered over here. Women have gathered over here to show that in Goa and in India, this is there is all types of freedom for them. They are on their own. They stand on their own feet. Jessica Snock is over here, who has organized this event over here for all the women. And volleyball tournament is there, rugby is there, then we have beach football. All the way from Banavali we have our Valanka Alemao, a social worker, a football promoter. I think there are very few women who are successful in Goa, and one of them is who has come over here as a guest of honor, that is Valanka Alemao. She is promoting football for men and women. I think we have to be proud of them, and we have to see that a lot of more women in Goa participates in self-employment, who can do something for others. You know, they can start business on their own and help other men and women as well. We want to see a lot of women to stand to support others, to be an inspiration to other women. And this is an example over here. We have sarpanchas over here, we have panchayat members, we have sarpanch, all women who have made Kalangut and Goa proud. And I wish all of them all the best on International Women's Day. And I feel that a time will come when Goa will see its first chief minister as a woman. That is after a long time, because we earlier had Shashikala Kakotkar in those years. But in this era, from 1980s, we have not seen. I think in the near future, we will see women leading also Goa as a chief minister. And we want to see all these things. We have to empower women. A lot of times we have seen that a lot of politicians, they speak about empowerment of women, but in reality nothing happens. And I think every step what they take today, we have to welcome that, we have to support them and see that they do something on their own and empower other women, help other women to come up.
Laila Lobo, Sarpanch of Para. Today on this special day, March 8th, I would like to wish all the women a very happy Women's Day. We ladies have excelled in almost all the professions, all the spheres of life, of going up to the space and everywhere, you name it, we are there. And we are there, and women have excelled almost all the professions, in all the professions. Today, in a special way, I would like to honor and my special tributes to all the ladies, maybe a divorcee, a single mother, who toils day and night to bring up her children without the support of a man and without the support of her parents. These ladies have to be celebrated. So in a special way, I keep them in my mind. Maybe a rape victim who, despite all the social whatever it is, she brings up her child into this society. and works day and night to see that that child excels in education or whatever. That lady has to be honored and respected. So I thank Jessica for calling me and inviting me as a chief guest for today's program, and for having such a beautiful program here. To the government of the day, we have reservation for ladies in Panchayat, 33% in Jilla Panchayat. So I would request, my humble request to the Chief Minister of Goa especially, to bring this reservation in the Legislative Assembly and see that we women are there in the Assembly also.
And I must thank organizer Jessica Sokan. Very kind words from Honorable Minister, very good family friend Mr. Lobo, his wife, the punches were all here and everybody. I think every day is Women's Day, but indeed we need to celebrate because many reasons. But a woman is a great mother, a great wife, a great sister, a great daughter, and I think she's a multitasker all in all. And it's a matter of pride to see so many sports and women playing. And thank you. And I think it's not just about sport, but from the house to everything. I think women has probably more emotional, power to bear it all. And like he said, we need to empower each other. And I think the mental, the mentality of every human being should be like, we should look at women with respect. I think that's more important.
Happy International Women's Day to all the women out there. And then I wouldn't say much because whatever I had to say has been said by all of them so beautifully. But today I feel like this event, especially this Women's Day today, International Women's Day, it's not only the women that we are celebrating today. Men have come and supported us in making this event a success. So this is what matters. Now we know that it's not just the women that we are celebrating womanhood, right? It's the men surrounding us, supporting us, and making this event successful. That's what matters as of now. And I can say all the men supporting here with the, bites and taking this news and spreading the good news. So yeah, thank you so much for coming here and covering our news, and happy International Women's Day to everyone out here.
Concept started initially in Austria and some places in the world with regards to fight for women's right, and women inequality was prevalent then. But now today we see women on par, and if not even further than men in various fields that are prevalent in today's world. So I would like to say, like, feminism is not about making women strong. Women are already strong. It's just changing the way the world perceives and sees that strength, how it views that strength.
Side change. 8-2.